माननीय सभापति जी.
Traveler and also photophile and music lover. I welcome Sri P.C. Modi and wish him good luck. Oath of affirmation. Secretary General.
महाराष्ट्र श्रीमती रजनी अशोकराव पाटिल.
मी श्रीमती रजनी अशोकराव पाटील राज्यसभेचे सदस्य म्हणून निवडून आले असल्याने ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेते की कायद्याद्वारे स्थापित झाले आहे अशा भारतीय संविधानाबद्दल मी खरी श्रद्धा व निष्ठा बाळगीन. मी भारताची सार्वभौमता व एकात्मता उन्नत राखीन आणि आता जे कर्तव्य मी हाती घेणार आहे ते निष्ठापूर्वक पार पाडेन. जय हिंद.
तमिलनाडु श्री एम मोहम्मद अब्दुल्ला.
மாநிலங்களவையின் உறுப்பினராக தேர்ந்தெடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கும் முகமது இஸ்மாயில் முகமது அப்துல்லா எனும் நான் சட்டத்தினால் நிறுவப்பெற்றதான இந்திய அரசியல் சட்டத்தின் மீது உண்மையான பற்றார்வமும் பற்றுறுதியும் கொண்டிருப்பேன் என்றும் இந்தியாவின் இறையாண்மையையும் ஒருமைப்பாட்டையும் உறுதியாக பற்றி நிற்பேன் என்றும் நான் இப்போது ஏற்கவிருக்கும் கடமையினை நேர்மையாக நிறைவேற்றுவேன் என்றும் விழுமிய முறைமையுடன் உறுதி கூறுகிறேன்.
SG 1 minute.
Tamilnadu.
SG 1 minute. That's cut. Let him sign. Signed.
तमिलनाडु श्री KRN राजेश कुमार.
Because of COVID, coming nearer is.
மாநிலங்களவையின் உறுப்பினராக தேர்ந்தெடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கும் கே ராமசாமி நடராஜன் ராஜேஷ்குமார் என்னும் நான் சட்டத்தினால் நிறுவப்பெற்றதான இந்திய அரசியல் சட்டத்தின் மீது உண்மையான பற்றார்வமும் பற்றுறுதியும் கொண்டிருப்பேன் என்றும் இந்தியாவின் இறையாண்மையும் ஒருமைப்பாட்டையும் உறுதியாக பற்றி நிற்பேன் என்றும் நான் இப்போது ஏற்றவிருக்கும் கடமையினை நேர்மையாக நிறைவேற்றுவேன் என்றும் விரும்பிய முறைமையுடன் உறுதி கூறுகிறேன். வெல்க தளபதி, வெல்க அண்ணன் உதயநிதி அவர்கள்.
Slogans will not be part of record for the guidance of new members. Outside you can say whatever you want, no problem.
Dr. Kanimozi NVN Somu.
Okay. God bless you.
மாநிலங்களவையின் உறுப்பினராக தேர்ந்தெடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கும் டாக்டர் கனிமொழி NVN சோமு என்னும் நான் சட்டத்தினால் நிறுவப்பெற்றதென இந்திய அரசியல் சட்டத்தின் மீது உண்மையான பற்றார்வமும் பற்றுறுதியும் கொண்டிருப்பேன் என்றும் இந்தியாவின் இறை ஆண்மையும் ஒருமைப்பாட்டையும் உறுதியாக பற்றி நிற்பேன் என்றும் நான் இப்போது ஏற்கவிருக்கும் கடமையினை நேர்மையாக நிறைவேற்றுவேன் என்றும் விழுமிய முறையுடன் உறுதி கூறுகிறேன்.
Joaquim Falero.
लुइजीन जॉकिंग फलेरो राज्यसभेचो वांगडी म्हणून विंचून आयिल्ल्यान देवाक साक्षी दवरून सुपूत घेता की हांव कायद्यान घडलेले भारताचे घटनेचेर पुराय भावार्थ दवरतलों तशेंच भारताची सार्वभौमताय आनी अखंडताय राखून दवरतलों आनी जे कर्तव्य कर्म हांव हातांत घेतलों ते निश्ठेन तोडीक पावयतलों.
कोंकणी ना कोंकणी अभिनंदन. Honorable members, you can go to your seat afterwards, you can greet. I refer with a profound sorrow to the passing away of Sri Oscar Fernandez, a sitting member of this House, Sri K.B. Shanappa, Dr. Chandan Mitra, Sri Hari Singh Nalwa, Srimati Monica Das, and Sri Abhani Rai, former members of this House. Sri Oscar Fernandez. You know the practice also. Sri Oscar Fernandez passed away on the 13th of September 2021 at the age of 80 years. Born in March 1941 in the Udupi district of Karnataka, Sri Oscar Fernandez was educated at the MGM College, Udupi. An agriculturist and a social worker, Sri Fernandez was actively involved in projects pertaining to rural housing and relief works. He was a recipient of the Syndicate Agricultural Foundation Award for the highest yield in paddy crop and the Karnataka government state
सभापति जी.
Honorable Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha, respected leader of the House, respected leader of the opposition, ministers and honorable members. I welcome you all to this winter session of the Rajya Sabha, the 255th of this August House. I am aware that all of you are keenly awaiting this session and expect all of you to make the best use out of this opportunity. All of us need to take note that we are meeting at the confluence of historic 75th year of our hard-fought independence and 72 years of adoption of the Constitution of India. There is a certain solemnity that associated with this such rare occasions, and I sincerely hope that all of us would be guided by the spirit of the momentous occasion as we proceed with this winter session. Only 4 days back, the 72nd Constitution Day was commemorated at the Central Hall of Parliament, wherein our Constitution was adopted on November 26, 1949. Since some of you were not present on that occasion, I would like to recall the spirit of that occasion. It was recalled that the Constitution, the sacred law of the land, was a culmination of the dreams of the freedom fighters led by Mahatma Gandhi and other great sons and the daughters of our motherland, and the vision of the framers of the Constitution. That vision was scripted out of bitter experience of long colonial rule and aspirations of a free modern India. The people of India who gave us this Constitution chose democracy as an instrument for socio-political and economic transformation of our country in a peaceful manner. Accordingly, the Constitution prescribed dialogue, debate, decision in the legislatures for negotiated path for development based on the will of the people, conveyed in succeeding elections to Parliament and state legislatures. All that I would like to emphasize on this solemn occasion is that we need to be guided by the philosophy of the provisions of the Constitution that determine the architecture of our democracy instead of negating it on some pretext or other. I urge all of you to make the best of the 19 sittings scheduled during this session. Honorable members, the bitter and unpleasant experience in the last monsoon session still continue to haunt most of us. About 70% of the valuable time of this August House was lost due to disruptions and incidents of unruly conduct by some members during the last forgettable session, at the end of which there were no winners. All the sections of this August House ended up losers, and also the country. Should we not draw right lessons from such unpleasant experience that entail huge cost to democracy, besides leaving a bitter pill in the mouths of the people of our country who have pinned high hopes on the legislature and their chosen representatives? I leave it to your wisdom. This August House was conceived as an assembly of wise men who would let the heat and passions of the movement pass by before making the laws in calm and sincere and serene atmosphere. The Treasury branches wanted a detailed inquiry into the conduct of some members during the final 2 days of the last turbulent session. I have tried to reach out the leaders of various parties. Some of them made it clear that their members would not be a party to any such inquiry. Some leaders, however, expressed concern over the way functioning of the House was derailed during the last session and condemned the unruly incidents. I, on my part, was expecting and waiting the leading lights of this August House to take lead in expressing their outrage over what has happened during the last session with the assurance of introspection and spirited efforts to prevent recurrence of such incidents. Such assurance by all concerned would have helped me in appropriately handling the matter, but unfortunately it was not to be. Honorable members, I would like to, now it is customary, I would like to inform.
तो उसके बाद में अब 5 स्टेट में चुनाव है। इसका परिणाम भी वो पहले से सोच चुके कि ये बाई इलेक्शन में ऐसा परिणाम है, तो फिर 5 स्टेट में इसका परिणाम क्या होगा। तब उनको आया नहीं आपको सर 700 लोग बॉर्डर पे मर चुके हैं।
प्लीज मैं 2 मिनट मैंने समय दिया था। प्लीज माननीय कृषि मंत्री, प्लीज मैंने आपको 2 मिनट का समय दिया था। जो प्लीज आपने 4 मिनट बोला लगभग।
सभापति महोदय,
प्लीज
ये तीनों कृषि सुधार बिल
आपकी बात रिकॉर्ड की
सरकार किसानों की भलाई के लिए लाई थी, लेकिन हम सब लोगों को इस बात का दुख है कि कई बार प्रयत्न करने के बावजूद भी और जो कांग्रेस पार्टी के लोग अपने घोषणा पत्र में रखने के बाद भी उस पर दोहरा रुख अपनाते रहे। हम किसान
की बात ही रिकॉर्ड की जा रही है,
उनको समझाने में सफल नहीं हुए। इसलिए प्रधानमंत्री जी ने ऐतिहासिक बड़प्पन का परिचय दिया और गुरु नानक देव जी के पावन प्रकाश पर्व पर उन्होंने इनको वापस लेने की घोषणा की। यह प्रधानमंत्री जी की कथनी और करनी की एक रूपता का परिचायक है कि रिपील करने के लिए हम यहाँ आए हुए हैं। सत्ता पक्ष भी तैयार है और अपोजिशन भी मांग करता रहा है, इसलिए इस पर कोई भी विषय आगे बढ़ाने की जरूरत नहीं है, चर्चा की जरूरत नहीं है। मैं समझता हूँ विधेयक को पारित किया जाए।
क्वेश्चन इज दैट द फार्म लॉ रिपील बिल 2021 is passed by Lok Sabha taken into consideration. Those in favor please say aye. Those against please say no. I think the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. We shall now take up clause by clause consideration of the bill. Clauses 2 and 3 stand part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clauses 2 and 3 are adopted. Clause 1, the enacting formula and the title stand part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 1, the enacting formula and the title are adopted. Shri Nehal Singh Tomar to move that the bill be passed.
उपसभापति महोदय ने प्रस्ताव
Motion made that the bill be passed. The question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The bill is passed. House stands adjourned for 30 minutes.
माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
Parliamentary Minister, please.
Sir, with your kind permission, I move the following.
Point of order.
That this house takes
Just wait for a minute.
strongly condemn
Honorable Minister, Honorable Minister,
disregard to the authority
Honorable
of the
Minister,
chair.
please, Manya Patel, sir. Please, 1 minute. He is on point of order, Tiruchi Sivaji.
Sir, thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. Earlier also, when the bill was to be passed, I raised a point of order. I couldn't attract the attention of the chair, sir. Sir, the simple thing is, there is a supplementary list of business that was taken up regarding the repeal of the farm bills. I don't want to go into the merits of the bill. But without time being allocated in the BAC, has there been any precedent of taking a bill without allocating time and by way of bringing supplementary?
thank you. We are on other business now. So your point of
Please, make me clear.
Honorable Minister,
Give a ruling. Give a ruling.
माननीय मंत्री जी का सर, माननीय मंत्री जी का बयान जाएगा.
I move the following. That this house takes the cognizance and strongly condemns the utter disregard to the authority of the chair, complete abuse of the rules of the house, persistently thereby willfully obstructing the business of the house through their unprecedented acts of misconduct, contemptuous, unruly and violent behavior and intentional attacks on the security personnel on the last day of 254th session of Rajya Sabha monsoon session, that is 11 August 2021, thereby lowering the dignity of and bringing the disrepute to the August House by following members and resolves for above compelling reasons to suspend these members from the service of the House for the remainder of the 255th session under Rule 256 of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in Rajya Sabha. Name: Number 1, Shri Alaram Karim, CPM, Mrs. Pholo Devi Netam, INC, Ms. Chaya Verma, INC, Shri Rupin Bora, INC, Shri Binay Vishwam, CPI, Shri Rajmani Patel, INC, Shri Dola, Ms. Sola Den, TMC, Shri Dola Sen, Ms. Dola Sen, TMC, Srimati Chamta Chetri, TMC, Shri Syed Nasir Hussain, INC, Srimati Priyanka Chaturvedi, Shiv Sena, Shri Anil Desai, Shiv Sena, Shri Akhilesh Prasad Singh, INC.
The question is that the motion moved by the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs be adopted. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. The motion is adopted. Chairman, Shri Alaram Karim, CPM, Srimati Pholo Devi Netam, INC, Srimati Chaya Verma, INC, Shri Rupin Bora, INC, Shri Binay Vishwam, CPI, Shri Rajmani Patel, INC, Ms. Dola Sen, AITC, Srimati Santa Chetri, AITC, Shri Syed Nasir Hussain, INC, श्रीमती प्रियंका चतुर्वेदी शिवसेना, Shri Anil Desai Shiv-Sena and Shri Akhilesh Prasad Singh INC are suspended for the remaining part of the current session. The House stands adjourned to meet at 11 hours on Tuesday, the 30th November 2021. Thank you.